Hi everyone, we hope you're having a great weekend. Today we are out in Santan Valley looking at Wales Ranch by Ashton Woods. We're going to be checking out two of the model homes today, so if you like home tours, stick around.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan.
And I'm Lindsay Bingham.
And we specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Phoenix metro area. So if you're thinking about making a move, give us a call, shoot us a text, our number's on the bottom of the screen. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right, so we're gonna go inside real fast since they're cutting the grass across the street. But as you saw, this is the sales office. This is the Sunflower floor plan. This one is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2150 square feet. Sorry, I just want to get inside since it was loud outside. And the starting price is $463,000. So we come in the front door here. Up front, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bedroom number 1 right here. Keep in mind, this is the sales office, and I know they said they're gonna have some appointments, so we may run into some people. So if we do, we'll just ignore them, but just give you the heads up on that. Just have your standard closet. Coming out of bedroom number 1, you have your first bathroom. And the sales reps told us these models are about 2.5 years old, and their inventory homes that they're building now, they've actually upgraded. So now they're doing quartz countertops instead of whatever that is. And they're doing soft close on the drawers and doors for your cabinetry, which is a nice upgrade. So bedroom number 2 right here, decent sized bedroom, especially for the home only being 2150 square feet. All right, back to the main hallway right here. Over here to the left, this would go out to your garage. Obviously, it's their sales office, so we're not gonna go out there. And then right here, you're gonna have your coat closet. All right, continuing on down. Take another left over here. You're gonna have your laundry room right over here. And then you have this nice den space. It's almost like an in-law suite kind of thing. You can have this area here. Obviously, you have the door to close everything off. And then they have this area here they have set up as a office. And then you have your bathroom right over here with your tub and shower combo. A little linen closet right here, and then the bedroom. So this, I mean, like I said, with that door, they're great. Turns into an in-law suite if you wanted to. Nice guest suite. And then of course you have just your standard closet over here, but I want to show you that. All right. Hey, just hang out all day, okay? Just don't worry about.
This is a very interesting couch cushion thing, and I just needed to sit down. It's comfortable, but it's
low, obviously.
Low.
Well, good luck getting up. I'm gonna go finish the tour.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. All right, so we come out into the kitchen here. Of course, this one has the quartz countertops. It is electric over here, so you have your slide-in range, your stainless steel microwave above, and then in the island, you have your stainless steel dishwasher, your single bowl undermount sink, and then it's opened up to your dining and living room space. And of course, over here would be your refrigerator. We do have the 8-foot doors throughout as well. A lot of water right there.
I appreciate that they put an 8-person table.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet that shows that can accommodate that.
Yep, and you still have plenty of room. Obviously, when the chair's pulled out, you wouldn't be able to walk behind here to the buffet. But right now, plenty of room to walk through. And let's be honest, how many people are gonna put a 8-person table here?
Very few.
So you come over here to your living room space here. You have your sliders back there, which we'll go out in a second. But let's go take a look at this main suite real fast. Come back here. So when you come in the door, it's a little different. You come to your bathroom right here. So you come in, you have your dual vanity here, and then your shower right across. And then you have a nice little linen closet right here. And then a little space there if you wanted to put something there. Let us know in the comments below. What would you use that space for, or would you use it at all? And then of course your water closet is gonna be right there. All right, coming out of the bathroom, you're gonna have your walk-in closet here. And then into your bedroom. Nice size bedroom here, especially for the size of the home. You have a king size bed, plenty of room for 2 nightstands. And then over here, they even have a chair in the corner and a nice big dresser there. So nice size master bedroom. All right, let's head outside. Take a look at the covered patio.
I like the big wide slider that's along the back of the house.
Yep, it just opens up in the center here. I'll show you as we go. Oh, I'm getting glare off that table. All right, so we come out here. You have this covered patio area here. I'm gonna back up and show you. So the slider just opened up right there if you wanted to screen this in, enjoy that nice indoor-outdoor living, or it's not really a ton of bugs here since it's desert, but you know, whatever you want to do. Nice sized backyard back here, even though it's a model home, not really too concerned with the backyard, but nice size nonetheless. And here's a look at the back of the home. It's kind of plain. Well, it is plain. There's no kind of about it. And then over here, you got the little run over there. But here's a look at the back of this one. Once again, this is the sunflower floor plan. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below, and we will see you at the next one. All right, this is your friendly real estate reminder that if you're thinking about buying new construction, make sure you use a real estate agent. As nice and as knowledgeable as the sales reps are, they represent the builder and not you. So if you want somebody in your corner looking out for your best interest, and that can be us, reach out to us. Our contact number is right here. Give us a call, shoot us a text, whatever's easier for you. But let's go back to the tour.
All right, so here we are looking at the Topaz. This is 3 bedrooms plus a den, 2.5 baths with a 3-car tandem garage, which we won't be able to see because of the sales office. 2,507 square feet, and the starting price on this one is $499. So just pan, see the front of it. Really like the large covered porch that it has. It's a nice touch. I like all the pavers here, which is really nice. But just before I go in, just see how much coverage you have on this front patio here. That's really, really nice. It's a nice added touch. And then the door magically opens. Thank you, sir. Right as you walk in, I love how they have this extra kind of cutout here on the right, so you can put a little bench or a buffet and sit down and take your shoes off. And then we've got our coat closet. And then over on the left, we've got bedroom number 1. Good sized bedroom here. Room for a full or a queen and a couple of nightstands. And then you have ample space in between where the bed ends and your dresser. So much so that they have an ottoman and you still have room to walk around. Love the couple of windows that they have there. Typical closet. And then you've got this really nice Jack and Jill bath with a nice long vanity here. See, does this drawer work? This drawer does work.
Is this a preview of what's to
It's
come?
a preview of what's gonna come. It's a little disappointment that I have. And then we have our toilet closet with a shower here. And we will walk into
See, that's the water closet if I've ever seen one.
water closet. Then we will walk into bedroom number 2. Same thing, nice good sized room. Little less on the front foot here that you've got for a dresser, but you could still put one in if you'd like. It'd just be a little bit tighter here. But I like how the doors are on the side edge, so you get sort of, I don't know what I'm saying. I just like how the look of it when you walk in, how the door is arranged in the floor plan. All right, nice wide hallway as we come down. Again, we've got, this one is 9-foot ceilings with 8-foot doors, so it still feels nice and roomy here. On the right, we've got our powder room with the pedestal sink. Would be nice if it was a vanity, but can't have everything you want. And then really spacious laundry room here. This model really has nice size laundry room. You could easily add more cabinets here along the back and a nice folding counter if you wanted to. Really, really nice to see that they gave that much space here for that. And then you would have your door to your garage. Again, as I said, it's a 3-car tandem. And then a little drop zone here. You could put some lockers, you could put a nice table or a little bench. Really, really nice space there. Very smart with how they designed this. Then on our left, we have our den or flex space, if you'd like. They're kind of showing it like the den, but could also be a formal dining room if you would like to, or you could finish it off and add some French doors and close off this space for more privacy. And then we are going to head in. We will go to the right and check out the master bedroom.
The master disappointment.
The master disappointment. Well, the room isn't a disappointment. I just have a little bit, I got a little bit of a beef with the bathroom here in a second. But this bedroom, I have no problems with. Nice and spacious, room to add a chair and dresser and everything. You don't feel like you're wanting for space here or like you don't have enough for all of your big beefy furniture, because those are decent sized nightstands, but you could easily fit something bigger. All right, so now we're gonna get to my major disappointment here. So in the bathroom, the first thing that I immediately noticed is there's no drawers, which with the size of this vanity, you would expect to see some drawers. It would be nice because these do not, they're non-operational. So that was the big hit. Mm-hmm. And it just looks funky having the 4 doors the way they are. But then you have this makeup counter here that's nice and spacious in the middle, and there's no drawer even to have makeup sitting in there. And it just seems like this was a real misstep in how they designed this bathroom. I don't know, am I being too critical, Josh?
No, I mean, to their defense, the sales reps did tell us that these models are about 2.5 years old, and they've done some upgrades with the countertops, we're doing quartz now, they've changed the cabinets. So right. In their inventory homes, they actually might have drawers now.
Maybe,
they don't
yeah.
have anything to see that. And then one thing I wanted to show you is this is actually one big cabinet. So when you open it, it's not a separate small cabinet. Okay. It is all one big cabinet. You just have the the
dividers there. Yeah.
To make it a little bit more difficult to put towels in or whatever.
Yeah.
But you have a linen closet behind you, so
that's nice.
It's not the end of the world, but
no,
you would expect drawers.
You would expect drawers. Yeah. It's just one of those things, and it's not like once you move in here, you're not going to be ripping out the cabinets and starting over. So this is a pretty fairly large area that you'd have to fix. So it's just end of the world, no. End of the world for Lindsay, yes. So we move on from that, okay? It's got your marblite vinyl, what did we call it? Vinyl panel, laminate shower here.
They don't have a list of what they're using, but it doesn't look like fiberglass. Like
no.
They in the shower or the tub and shower companies they use sometimes.
Just the panels, nothing to write home about, but again, at this price point, like you're actually getting a lot of house for the price. So this closet
makes up for a lack of drawers.
Does make up for a lack of drawers. This is a really nice closet. What I will say, and I know Josh can already guess what I'm gonna say, but no double hang. Wow, how hard would it have been to just add one little extra row there? Really not that much expense to a builder, but it definitely means something to a homeowner. So
especially with the height of the ceilings, where
exactly
you have the room,
you could absolutely fit it. So I'm just picking on little tiny crucial details that in the grand scheme of things do not matter that much. but they're just little details that you notice, but as we agents go between builders, that you just notice what some do and some don't. So, and then at the end of the bathroom here, you have your water closet. I'll say it for Josh, your water closet. Are you happy now?
I'm happy.
You're happy, okay. All right, let's head back into the main house.
We're having too much fun today.
We are having fun today. All right, so now we have our living space. Very generous living room area here. Love that you've got your quad slider again, where it opens up from the center, gives you that indoor-outdoor living, and you really have a spacious kitchen here. A lot of drawers, a lot of cabinets. Love that they put in the 42-inch uppers. As Josh said, in the newer ones that they're building now, you do get the soft close, which is a nice touch. So again, that makes up for lack of closet, I will say.
You got a nice sized pantry here.
You do have a nice sized pantry here. I was just about to talk about that.
Sorry.
That's okay. So you would think it just stops here, but oh no. It goes all the way around and back. So this is a huge, huge pantry. Very impressed with this one. Big enough for all of your Costco stuff and the obvious like 100 cases of water that they have here. But very generous pantry. Again, you got your stainless steel slide and range, your undermount sink, and big enough space that you could fit an 8-top table if you'd like, and have room for a piece of furniture as well. And then we've got good amount of natural light coming in with all the windows and the sliders. Let's take a step outside. See, we've got covered patio here. And they've done a nice with the model, nice little raised pavers with the fire pit. We'll check it out from the back here. So again, this is the Topaz model, and we are here at Tabino at Wales Ranch with Ashton Woods Homes. Let us know in the comments what you think, if this would be a house for you, and we will see you at the next one.
Hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let us know which of these 2 floor plans was your favorite. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. We'd love to help you. Our contact number is right here on the bottom of the screen. Give us a call, shoot us a text, whatever's easier for you. But until next video, take care.